These are a basic set of simple watch oilers that you would use to oil your watches. The differences in these oilers are the tips, and you can see the tips are of different sizes because the larger sizes will hold more oil as the smaller ones will hold less oil. If you weren't able to obtain any watch oilers, you could use pins like these of different sizes. They're not the best substitute, but they'll work for the job. If you notice that the ends are not spaded like some of the other watch oilers are, so they do not perform as well because they don't hold as much oil. But for the smaller areas that need oil, they can work pretty well. You'll need to use proper lubricants when working on your watches. The lubricant that you see on the left is Mobius Swiss-made watch oil. Now this is pretty much general purpose oil for most of the parts of your watch. The Mobius oil bottle that you see on your right is actually mainspring grease, which would be used on the mainspring. And later in our program, you'll see how we use these oils on the watch when we're putting them back together. The type of cleaning solutions that I use are non-water-based solutions. If you use non-water-based solutions, you have a less tendency to have problems with rust. Many solutions that you buy on the market do have water in them, but these do not. This is the cleaner here, and this is made for an ultrasonic machine. I don't use an ultrasonic machine, which is a special kind of cleaning machine for watch parts and small things of that nature. Jewelers use them in jewelry and also for clocks. But we're not using an ultrasonic machine, but you can still use the solution to clean your watches. And then I use a rinse solution, and both of these are non-water based. And here's the wash I put into a little jar like this, a wide mouth jar, where I wash my parts. And then I create two rinses. Here's one rinse, and then here's another rinse to do the rinses. And it's as simple as that. And later in the program, we'll be going through the process of exactly how we do clean these watches.